Because there are 30 subjects, you're going to need 2 digits to label each of those subjects. If there were 10 or less, it would take a single digit. If there are more than 10 but less than 100, it would take 2 digits. Notice that 10 to the first is 10 and 10 squared is 100. If you had more than 100 and less than or equal to 1,000, then that would take 3 digits. But here we're more than 10, less than or equal to 100, it takes 2 digits. I'm labeling them 00 to 29 to cover those 30 subjects. It could have been done 01 to 30 as well. Not a big deal. But if you've got exactly 100, 00 to 99 is what you would want to use. Let's talk about randomly assigning 15 of them to the first group. That first group being the baseline group where there's no TV. So let's see here. I'm going to do this the old school style using a random number table. You can also generate random numbers using technology. I've got something with 50 rows here, 101 through 150. I've randomly chosen to start at line 132. And since I've labeled the subjects by 2 digits, then I must also label, I've labeled, so I have to read the table by 2 digits at a time. And since I've randomly decided to start in row 132, I'm going to go left to right. 6-8. No one's been labeled that way. No one's been labeled by 7-3. 2 looks like a 2-5. Let's see, it's a little bit blurry. 2-5, yes, we can use that. So I'll put that in green. I can't skip anything, and I can't reuse. I can't read this as 6-8 and then 8-7 and then 7-3 and then 3-2 and then 2-5 and so on. No, it's blocks of 2 that are non-overlapping. Labeled by 2, non-overlapping readings, 2 digit blocks at a time with no space in between either. So the first one I'm getting is 2-5. The next one is a 5-2. Nobody's been labeled that way, so I have to skip that. 5-9, it's the same deal. 6-4, same deal. Then I get 2-9. That one I can use. It's the highest label possible for our particular subjects. I've got 2 of my 15 going to group 1. Then I see a 2-0. I can use that. Let me list that over here. And then the next one I saw, I think, was 8-9. Nope, 8-7. Still, that's going to be out because that's higher than any label we gave a subject. And similarly, the one after that, 9-6, is going to be skipped. The other thing you would have to skip is repetition. I don't know if that's going to come up because I randomly chose to start at line 132. 4-3 is out, but 1-6 is less than or equal to 2-9. So I can use that. 1-6, that gives us 4 of the 15 that we need for the first group. 5-9, 3-7, and 3-9 are all going to be out because they are higher than 2-9. 3-1, just a little bit too high. 6-8 is out. 5, 9 out, 7 1s out, and 5 0s out. And because I'm at the end of the row, I have to go to the beginning of the next one. 4 5 is out, 7 4 is out. But then I'm going to get 3 in a row that I can use. Again, remember that if it doesn't match a label, you ignore it. And you would ignore repetition as well. 0 4, 1 8, and 0 7 will be in that first group. So far, we've got 7, almost half done. 6 5 and 5 6 will be out. 1 5. Double check if that is a 1 5. Sure looks it. Okay. I can use that. I'll write that in a moment. 3 3 would get skipped. 0 2 would get used. That is assuming 1 5 and 0 2 have not already been selected. So let's go back over here and check that. 1 5 is new. And so is 0 2. That's good. All right, we've got 9 of the 15 so far. Remember, we had 2 groups, 30 subjects. Splitting that in half is 15. Okay, 0 7 and 0 5. I think we've already got a 0 7. Where did that come from, though? Right here. And then we're getting repetition. So although it would be possible, we will have to ignore it. Looks like we'll use the 1 5. Let's see if we can use the 1 9 as well. 0 5 and 1 9. Just got to make sure that there's no repetition there. 0 5 is new. And 1 9 is new. That's 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 4 more to go. And remember, we're only picking ones between 0 0 and 2 9. 6 2 is out. 3 1 is out. 8 1 is out. 3 2 is out. 0 9 is a looks like I got off the track here. 0 7 0 5 1 9 3 6 2 3. Okay. So I ended up back here with the 1 9. I think that's the last one I listed so far. Got to be careful that we're not skipping any spaces or overlapping anything. Let me do a little erasing here. After that 1 9, we would have had 3 6, which we could not use. 2 3 we could, as long as that's not repetition. I don't think it is. 2 3 is indeed new. That should be 12 that we've got so far. Yes. Okay. 1 8 and 1 3. 1 8 has already been used, but 1 3 is not. 20, I think, will be new. 13 and 20. Nope. 13 is new, but 20 was the third one that we came up with. So that's out. All right. So 20's out. 95 and 47 are going to be skipped. That is the end of that row. So we've got to go to a third row. So far we've got 3, 6, 10, 13, 2 more needed. 2, 7 at the beginning of line 134. 2, 7 has not been used. Eight, 1 is going to be out. Going to be a whole bunch in a row that will be out here. 8, 1, 6, 7, 8, 4. 1, 6 has already been used. So it's a label between 0, 0 and 2, 9, but it's already been used. 1, 8 already used. 3, 2 too high. 9, 2 too high. Let's see if 1, 3 has been used yet. Up, it has. 3, 7's out. Because it's too high of a label. 3, 5 is out. 2, 1. That's new. We'll use that 2, 1. So far we have 4, 8, 12. I guess that's our 15th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Double checking real quick. These are all between 0, 0 and 2, 9. And want to make sure that I haven't repeated anything. Looks good so far. Okay. And one more time. 5, 8, 10, 15 subjects assigned to group 1. All right, good.